Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love. Good morning. Welcome to our icy morning here in New. This is what's going on here. Ice. This is not even in the freezer. This is outside, and this is what you see. Ice. Imagine that. All of this frozen, like the movie Frozen. Ice. Ice. Yes, guys. So, you know, today we're gonna be heading back to New York, you know. But before we go, we're gonna, make some stuff. Kev is gonna get some crab and get some shrimp and those, put on a ball of road before we head out. Anyway, so before we head back in town. You know what I mean? So we have the Kev himself, Kev lifestyle.
Yes, guys, after the crisp cold Atlantic City tour, this is where we at.
Yeah. Get the crab and get the shrimp.
Oh yes, man.
Get the crab and get the shrimp.
Oh yes, man.
So we're gonna make sure we're gonna put on a pot before we leave.
Oh, must man, seafood.
Yeah.
Seafood for real.
Yeah.
On the stay tuned and watch what I go on.
Alright.
That is it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get some crab and shrimp and then we'll be headed out after we finish eat later. You know what I'm saying? Later we'll be, you think about it already.
No man, we should go. No man, come on this aside here. Come on this aside here. Put a jacket back there.
Yeah.
Yes.
They're not good enough still.
Yeah, man.
Sure. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we'll get some stuff.
Is this like a Jamaican supermarket?
No.
But they have Jamaica and everything. Yeah.
You guys, so we're gonna get some.
They sell out frog.
Sell frog? Spring chicken.
Really?
Sell even frog. And so guys, we're gonna get some lobster. They're gonna get some crab and shrimp. Okay, we got do the maths. Empress, what's that?
Apple. That is so tiny.
Call tiny them name. Call them tiny apple. It's tiny apple Empress.
Frog in here? That's crazy.
You ever eat frog
I
before?
want to see it, even though that's just disgusting. No, meat, come on.
See them here over here. You see stuff.
Where frog in there?
Oh, not frog.
No for them.
What is his name again?
What on it?
I want to fish this man.
A shark?
No man.
Catfish. catfish head there.
Oh, yeah, so they used to have a problem.
Oh.
From
They probably put them somewhere they don't know.
them big lobster. Yeah.
People really eat frog though.
Of course.
When you say of course, like you like.
Not me, but people eat it. Not me.
Yeah?
Eh? Jackfruit are big.
Big one, so
Big jackfruit. Yeah.
like
The best one them for blend up to make smoothie. Yeah. Those are the good ones to make smoothie. This is a fish spot. Nice big fish.
There's some butterfish guys going on fly, but not so.
Big fish. KFC strip them up here, sir. Oh, down here, sir. Empress Niche. Mish. Empress Mish. So guys, you know, Empress Niche.
N niche.
Oh, Niche. Yeah?
Whatever you want to
Yeah. Was the nuts. Like, Niche, so I mess up her name, so Empress Niche. Right? Capiche. Empress Niche, guys. So guys, you start to subscribe now. Let's get her to our first 1,000 subscribers. I'm trying to get her to post a video. I don't know what to do, you know? No, yeah. Stars, yeah. Tell her guys, she needs to.
We need some more subscribers.
No, you need to post a video. You need to post your first video.
I'm just nervous about the first video. Never fear when you might not like it, but I need to think positive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's nothing to be
I want
afraid
the
of.
first video to be so good. You know?
Listen, well, it's good to be try to be a perfection, but you know, accept, you know what is.
Yeah.
Of course, you might think, so this is my first best video, but someone else's opinion is different.
Alright, that's true.
Right? So you just do the work and watch no face, you know? And make God work it place. Alright guys. Yeah man, so confidence is growing. Slowly but surely.
Getting better.
Yes, so let's get her to our first 1,000 subscribers, guys. Now get her there. Get her there. Encourage her. You know, so she can get the move on. You know what I mean? Alright, so okay.
The one that is smarter than a real
So what
fish.
is now?
Five no baby fish.
Really?
Tiki.
Tiki.
Whoa.
You see them?
All them there
You ever cook
wickedness.
tiki
Oh, yeah,
tiki
man, that's
dinner?
not wickedness.
Tiki.
I think a tiki.
You gonna really eat this?
No.
Exactly. So why would I really cook that? Oh gosh. The poor little fish them.
Look at this. Them look like them ready for
The poor little fish don't even live my life yet. The poor fish don't even live any life as yet. You know? Them fish are too small to be eaten. Them don't even live no life as yet. Look at that. So them a eat baby. Baby in a bag them a eat, man.
That is it. That's all.
The poor little fish don't live no life.
You see, look at tiki there.
Yeah, they don't live no life.
What is dry shrimp then, Beckham?
Frozen shrimp.
Yeah, them down on the boat. Them down on.
So this is like a local supermarket here. Which area this we in, Can? Pensaki. Oh, Pensaki. So this is like the local. Them got carry and everything. Here in South Jersey over there, right? Or north? South. Okay. So we're down south here in Jersey. What at the cane?
Sugar cane in a can.
Cane in a can.
This is cane in can. Cane in a
Where is that
can.
from? China?
Yeah.
I know. Chiffon.
I got all plastic.
Chiffon. Eating conscious.
It's made in China for you?
In Thailand. product of Thailand.
Chimney fried rice.
Chimney fried rice. Please, when eat with caution.
Yeah, eat with caution.
Eat with
Yeah.
caution.
Be plastic. Say sugar cane.
Make with plastic. Not Jamaican sugar cane.
Chimney. I want to chimney fried rice.
Cheap fried rice.
Fried rice.
But this is sugar cane. Sugar cane can.
Sugar cane.
So this is sugar cane can. So when you eat with caution. Sugar cane in a can. Of course, she eat with caution. You know, might taste sweet, might taste sour, might taste salt. In can, preservative. So eat with caution. Might tough, might soft.
Thank you, Troy.
Thank you.
Chimney fried rice.
You make cane fried rice.
Yeah, tell people them can't invent anything.
They make it out of plastic.
So what they supposed to be now?
Popcorn. Look,
Really?
same
It's
China.
not right.
It's popcorn.
sorry.
Everything. Listen, them make sure them give it the heads up.
Look right.
See, you know what they say? Eat
Yeah, on
with
your own risk.
caution.
Yeah.
On your own risk. Right? So see there? Hospital after them eating.
Also,
I don't wait to.
I know it. Them a pull them.
I don't wait. You see, there. Go, daddy, go.
I know where to hospital after eating it. Oh gosh. Tiny. Eating caution. Oh, you know, I never really noticed. They're Chinese. They are Chinese. I didn't notice. Wow. Hello, fried rice. Oh, Chinese, boy. Damn. Aloha. Yeah. You know, guys, I literally just noticed there's pure Chinese work here.
You want to do it? I want to shop with them.
Oh, the shoplifts are there. Yeah, guys, I just noticed it's Chinese. So that's why I'm here. Hey, eat with caution. Oh, you see? Cane drop.
It's running away.
Running away.
Okay, good. This is what I've drop on me too.
So even this frozen shrimp.
No, this I come from Jamaica.
It's a Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica.
But don't tell any lie in Jamaica.
Product out of yard.
Yeah. Don't tell any lie in Jamaica, you know.
No, my yard now make no plastic.
Well, sir, this you have to eat with caution. Please don't flip enough garlic. No pepper, no garlic. No, sir.
See that, sir? It's all that make you know the chili fried rice?
Yeah.
Huh? Fried rice. Chicken fried rice.
Yeah. Oh, sir. Trying them is everywhere. They're running the place, boy. They're everywhere, guys. Imagine. Take on, class
They're not
out.
coming too. Fried rice, TV, fried rice. Where you go put them back?
Big Boomba bike.
I'm gonna want one belt. Belt too cold.
Want a belt for the pants.
You want a belt for the pants. Fried rice, chili.
Tell a boy.
Yes, guys, we are on the loose again.
So, alright, we're gonna get the crab now, right?
Yes.
We got the shrimp from the Chinese.
Crab from the white man. And that white man on a cemetery, so we don't know if that's where he from. Man, they just crab and live off a dead body to eat.
Oh,
So come crab some meaty and eggy.
okay, I get sea crab, right?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You don't say my sea crab.
No dry land crab.
Don't water crab or blue crab. Yeah,
Dryland crab crab them in Jamaica, where them live off of?
That's dildo.
Eh?
Dildo.
Like people do?
Yeah, dildo.
Human do?
Yeah, man.
Jeez.
I like it alone still.
And they eat anything they can't, cause everybody do a bush.
And everybody got a bush so they eat and feed off a lot of stuff.
Oh, okay, that's
If they find a dead body, they feed off it.
that they eat.
I don't know. You know, guys, listen, I don't know. Please.
But when
Most of you watch it.
they just scavenger them, brother.
Right, so.
A scavenger
But I
them.
rather sea crab though. Yeah, I rather the one from the sea. Even though the one from the sea,
A sea creature that
eat a lot of stuff, but they're not supposed to eat too. You know, whatever scavenger, and we are eat them. So we are
the same way we are scavenger.
So we are scavenger too.
Everybody have to eat for live.
Yeah, the poor sea creature them. That's why when them catch you, them eat you back. Alright, so we're gonna get some sea crab.
Life in New Jersey.
Guys, 16 a dozen, 2 for 30. Rock solid, full meat.
Full of eggs?
Full meat, full eggs.
Okay.
We like to say mustard, but same thing.
Yeah, mustard, yeah. So, how much this? 2 dozen.
2 dozen, same bag, okay?
Yeah.
Couple extra.
Thank you.
That one's dropping out.
Need anything else?
No, that's it. He's gonna put a couple seasoning in there for me.
I got you. I can bring you up. $30.
You take care of me.
Comes all the time. I got you, my friend. Thank you.
You put 2?
Yeah.
Thank you. I
Killing me
appreciate-
with this.
That is it. You know,
Now the machine broke.
Is it?
Can't bag up any seasoning until we get the ports. So I might have to buy and bag it myself.
Oh, man.
We got you. It's
All
a very
right,
good
bro.
blend. We get it made up, but it's an old recipe from the guy who worked here before me.
All right. All right. Cool.
Guys, how you doing?
Good yourself?
Get the crabs.
Yes, guys.
One only for crab, boy.
You see it? 2 dozen. How we are going to do it?
Crab and shrimp.
That is it.
Crab and shrimp.
That is it.
And frog. Not a frog.
Sorry. I'll hold line for them points.
Yeah.
That is it.
No, guys, no frog. No. We ain't having no frog. You know, just kidding. Just kidding. So we get all of that now so we can move. Going back to the yard. That's how we want to go.
Squeeze in here.
Squeeze in here.
Go back to the car. Do up, man, don't it? Yes. Yeah, Baba.
Ice cold shrimp. Alright, well. So what's going on now?
Remember.
A big the sea crab them. Wash off the salt off of them. Run away the salty crosses off of them. And then when you salt, you know. So when you salt, guys, that's the crab.
Yeah, mad fun, you know.
You look wild and pepper, you look ignorant.
That is it.
This pepper look ignorant.
So participation in the thing.
This today, Kevin's gonna do this one different, right?
Yeah, man, we have put some Mr. Ray and all the nephew them.
So you're gonna cook it down with
Mr. Ray and all of the nephew them you are gonna put in it. Every single one of the nephew. You see what I say? And as me always do it, guys, malt liquor.
our King
Cobra. That is it.
So you're gonna put that in it as well?
This?
Yeah.
This is what is going to be steamed in.
Okay.
There's no water.
No water.
No water.
And that go on can?
No water at all. That is it.
Oh guys, this one is new. New to me. So him said no water, I'm gonna use the beer. I'm gonna use the beer
That
to
is
steam the crab.
Yeah.
And the shrimp is as well too?
No, the shrimp are going to get dealt with differently.
Okay.
Mom's are going to deal with the shrimp now.
Different.
Deal with the pepper shrimp now.
So guys, so when you're over by Kev Lifestyle YouTube channel, this is what you're gonna see, some
That is it.
creative type of cooking we never seen before. You know, the unthinkable. You know, so see the fire light, things sparks, season ready, curry is there, crab plus.
That is it.
You know, so a crab season specialized for the crab.
The king cobra.
See the big thing,
That is
big
it.
part.
So you're gonna use it like this. Watch nothing.
Yeah, so this is a Papa buckle.
It's the king cobra. Yes, people, that's what I got.
So this I got junk the crab then.
That is it.
So I got junk we.
So relax, we. Not junk. So relax. That's it.
Yes.
No, man, because I remember so much to cook out.
So you cook out the alcohol out there then.
So go and get that crab.
This look like a coconut milk. Just
You see it? They come Mr. King Cobra.
So Kev Lifestyle in the kitchen, you know, Kang and the wing. She's the wings of steel over there, you know. She is the observer. Observer say, Kev, no, that's too much. Kev, do this. Kev, do that. Kev, do that.
Yeah, man. Now I'm going to go with one pack of this straight. Just look a bit more of that. We don't want it too soft. That's it.
Yeah. One pack of the crab plus.
Make it go on.
Hello? What?
That's how I really want this cancer.
I try hold a boy and then somebody else hold me.
You want to try to go?
Imagine me I try to hold him and somebody else just hold. Say hello viewers. Say hello subscribers.
That is it.
You're gonna eat me. You're gonna cloud them. Yeah. See to the curb.
Lifestyle about their way.
Today. Well, they can smell the beer already. Well, seasoned up. You know, seasoned. So imagine that. Season the beer. And season the beer. See, oh, chef, that's red, green, and gold. So the red, green, and gold sit inside our time.
After time, you know.
What time is it? So the chicken and the eat with caution. So the eat with caution. I go inside that too. Eat with caution.
Yeah. And later on next time we're gonna cook chicken for white. For white chicken.
Yeah, chicken for rice. You know, shrimp for rice.
Yeah. We can go and get there for 9 from 4.
So that's for now. So the ginger, yeah, one big box.
Yeah, original organic ginger that one with that man, yeah, run out man. I don't know, pretty play ginger.
One Cave Lifestyle.
That is it in the kitchen.
In the kitchen making it work. See that?
Yeah man. I wanna paste it. Let's grab him. Where are they? Yeah man.
Poor thing.
That is it.
Poor thing. How do you feel when crab eat you?
Why, I'm not going to consider it.
How will you feel when the crab is going to eat you? Now we're going to eat him. Oh gosh.
Over here. I'll put him in warm up.
Yeah. So I get a warm back. I know time is cold.
Junk, like the junk already for him going in there.
Yeah, the crab I drink right now, you know, frost.
I'll go on nice. The boy can't wait for the water to boil up. No. You warm them up.
Yeah, warm them up.
Yeah.
So, right now, I might get them frost. Then I go and drink 2 beer, eat 2 pepper, go and all the vibes, you know.
That is it.
And jacuzzi. So this crab is well easy in them jacuzzi.
Warm up now.
Yeah. The fire blazing, man. Fire blazing.
Yeah, man.
So they felt that. They
I
definitely
don't want to
felt.
full again again. They say smart. Yeah, man. Call it mustard. Brown grandson. What is it being like?
Swim along. Yeah, go swim along.
just squeeze in here and there. Squeeze in here.
But the road me that said the crab bite, you just road me that said the crab bite, you just squeeze in eye.
That is it. 2 dozen and few and couple eggs.
So you put the whole light inside?
Yeah. Me have stack him. By then it start boil, me have beer beer for bathe him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stack and pile.
Stack and pile neatly. And just cover him down. No water.
Needed.
None.
No water needed. So this one is different. The crab are cooked down in a beer.
Yeah.
So when you eat it, you have no fear. So you know we'll catch you back when the crab start bubble.
That is
you know,
it.
like when them are going to drop in one by one.
One
so you know
by
when
one,
everything
yeah.
go and bubble now, then you say, oh look.
That is
you
it.
know, so just go and stay tuned and go and look. Quick and fast.
I'm going to rinse them out. That's a pepper shoe.
Okay, pepper shoe. Really spicy.
Real spicy.
Really spicy. What a way to go.
So we're going now. That's a good like this.
Grab a boy.
So I go on there, guys. See the roses because I sit down on the ceiling.
This is called the original beer crab.
You see, strictly.
This is the beer crab.
That one, eh? That one, cheese. One go me feet, one crab first.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
You try
One go.
That one ready?
Already, no, pa?
Oh, the man ready?
Yeah. Already. Then I get in front of the butter.
Yeah. I don't know. Why? Don't at the end.
Right, down at the butter.
Don't at the end.
Yeah, down at the end.
Don't at the end.
Down at the end. Yeah, good. Now go down at the butter.
Yeah.
Down at the end.
Don't at the end of the pod.
Now go down at the end. Oh, boy.
The end of the pod, man. The end of the pod.
Oh, gonna go with my
Steamy. Steamy.
steamy. That's steamy. Come on, try. So can't go another way, so.
The pepper they look rich though.
That's enough. Roses.
No one's
Right now, look him up now. Alright, get it. Get about this, we'll talk about that. That is it, guys.
and the go. Ready now.
Ready now. Yeah.
Ready now.
Move this over.
I'm probably not have many foot.
Try. Let me be. Sir.
Wait, sir.
No, sir. Let's go straight to the back.
Straight to the back.
Straight to the back.
Straight to the. Oui.
Right. Like that.
You hear me, Papa?
Yo, that eat Jamaican food.
Yeah.
You nah eat no shrimp. You mess with, you eat 1 and 2 pieces of oxtail. But other than that, brother, I'm just looking for separate pot for coming.
Yo, eating the crab beer.
But
This is called a beer crab. Really tastes good.
with Mr. Nephew,
Yeah.
with Mr. Ray.
Oh, and Mr. Ray.
Nephew.
No, sir, it's an alcohol part. This.
Yeah. Mr. Ray, I haven't seen one of them.
It's a really alcohol part. This. Well, go on. Same good. Big runner. Real champion just rolling. I already don't eat Jamaican food. No seafood, nothing. Sometime.
Who said? Really eat yeah. Cause you have to grab.
You want to grab?
Not right now.
Okay. We started driving past, man. You're just doing like 102. How much you made, Kev?
About 104. Take 2. Take it for slow down.
Yeah, man, that's Kev lifestyle, son.
That ticket coming.
Guys, man, go on, man. So we'll get back to you.
That is it.
Not earlier.
Who?
Kevin.
Kev.
Yeah, that's who I heard.
Can we reach the Kino?
No,
Oh, no.
I did not.
Trucker is here. It's Trucker.
You know, long when I see her,
Hey, how long?
she spend more time in yard than she spend over here.
Wait, in Jamaica?
No, when you was here. Right, that was the last
Yeah, that's what last time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, but
That's Jamaica all the time, Mr.
you
Willow.
still spend more time in Jamaica than here. What, Trucker? Big things are going on at Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
So I go in the
What's
kitchen
going
now.
on here?
Well,
Pepper shrimp.
well peppered.
Chili and fried rice.
Shrimp and rice.
Fried rice, fried rice.
Yeah. I haven't had it.
Shrimp and rice.
You come over here, get some chili and fried rice.
I'm working.
Trucker probably eat a lot of this in Jamaica, right?
No, I didn't get you by it.
Wow, guys,
Come
look at
night
this.
and come out.
So
They don't eat American. Jamaican food. They don't eat American.
It's a crab.
I like eat a lot of rice and peas. When did you get a cat?
Wow.
6 months ago.
You said 16 months ago?
6 months.
Oh,
Your rice just so done.
Oh, the rice ready? Alright. Ready. Rice now. Rice and shrimp.
Well,
One acre.
Of course. Of course, Trucker. What do you say? Of course, Trucker. Guys, the reason why we call her, the reason why she's being called Trucker, she's driving big trailer truck. Look how short she is. She is like 4'2". Guys, she's 4'2" and she's driving big truck. You know? So we call her Trucker. Just imagine you see her around in them big trucker. Yeah, man, that is. Yeah, man, so we call her the Great Trucker.
the great trucker.
How long do you eat crab?
Long time.
Okay. Yeah, man, them sheep are ready and nice. Ready.
You know when you get here? How long there?
Wait, Jersey?
Well, out here.
You for 3 weeks now.
3 weeks?
3 weeks.
Take up a spoon.
3 weeks.
What? And do what with it? What's this?
You have to eat that, just like the caviar.
Trucker, you never eat crab before?
Not this. I never ate the middle of it.
Just if you don't like
What's
it.
that? That's what egg.
Just
That's the meat.
Oh my God.
Go on, Trucker, man.
Let me ask her if she ever ate this.
Trucker, just put the whole thing in your mouth. Don't call her yet. After you eat it, call her.
I can't call it.
Call her after you eat it. Go on.
Oh my
Go on,
goodness.
girl. Just swallow.
When I eat the shop,
Just put it.
let me tell you this.
The whole thing?
Yeah, just put it in your mouth.
How about
scared.
the egg night?
Not for me.
Alright, that is it.
I'm chew it up.
If you
Oh.
Not to be
See?
fierce,
It
you know.
tastes good.
See? Just Kevin and me just put
But that's poop.
no egg.
the egg.
No.
You know they have the caviar.
Mm-hmm.
Look like egg. Crab egg. I
Bro.
do this.
That's the
What to do
caviar.
what?
So you're eating pure crab, baby.
You know that?
High class food I eat.
See?
I never been called mommy.
Yeah, man.
So mommy
had that.
tell her to bring her a couple.
Oh
Yeah.
my God.
Mommy going to bring me a few.
And then what's the big grab one?
Mommy.
My auntie. Wagwan.
Rice ready. Thing ready now.
Ready, man. You see it already?
I want you to
Yeah,
wake
man.
up.
See that
Yeah.
man. Ready.
Yeah.
Oh,
Fried rice.
Kevin said
Yeah.
she never eaten a crab egg before.
Fried rice.
And rice ready.
Yeah,
Kev
eat
lifestyle, yeah, than a not a yard in abroad, but in abroad.
Yeah.
man.
Style.
Yard man in abroad.
Yeah, man.
Yes, me
Yeah.
auntie.
Yeah,
I got me
yeah,
auntie. You need to saw me. Good day. You could have bring me auntie.
Mommy, you want to come over?
Show the pot.
I'm 15 minutes. Oh, here. That's Keno. Keno, that you're
Hello.
watching.
How you doing?
Show the pot.
Alright, we here feasting our face.
Okay.
Sure the pot.
Did I do it? Oh no.
I'm gonna finish feast.
End of the second bucket for this year.
See it there?
Like that container outside.
Yeah, this is the end of the second bucket.
Take up the bucket, Kevin.
This is the end of the second bucket, man.
They know I hear my mother drink sorry.
Yeah, that is it.
See it there?
That is it.
See it here?
That is
They
it.
know I hear my mother drink sorry.
Yeah, we are
Every
drinking.
day them sit down for me name them a quarrel.
That is it.
Oh, see them I drink sorry, mommy.
That
You see me?
Look at myself, mommy. I wish you was here.
Moment me shut the thing go. They know I hear my mother drink sorry. Every day them sit down for me name them a quarrel. Try so hard them, want we feel. Want me pop the gun, lose my faith. They know I hear my mother drink sorry. See it your mommy, yeah, drink it right now.
You're drinking it right now.
No
And you
sir.
can't stop it right now.
Yes, we're drinking the sorrel. See the shrimp in a pot, you know, and crab lock away.
Buck one of the bucket of sorry out the back.
Oh, you see me? The chuck a deal if you're sorry to see there. Oh, boy, my belly full right now. We'll take on back the road to New York. Coming back to the city.
Right?
City.
New York.
New York. Journey never stops. Never stop, boy. You say, oh, the Empress are angry, I'm sorry. Empress is angry. Me eat and stop.
In around the side.
Belly full.
Oh, yeah, you run yourself?
Can't go, belly full.
Guy no more.
Belly full.
You let them down, baby. Baby.
No, more bring back some of that shrimp here. I can't eat so much of them one time.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
bad.
Come on.
I should eat up here. The seat there. We eat more than Kevin, you know.
Of course.
Was eating more than you still. So.
We are cook.
Chef,
We are chef.
can I cook?
Yeah. Chef look the kind of cooking.
You have a chef.
We have taste. Taste the punch out the day, my belly full.
Yeah, of course. I mean, while you're chefing, I'm also testing.
Yeah.
You know,
That
so when
is
it's
it.
finishing, I kept eating.
And your belly full.
You know, I know my belly full. Rest me go drink the cereal.
Belly full till it buck.
Christmas gone, I was still drink cereal.
I ask the man about those same man.
Christmas gone, I was still drink cereal. So guys, you know the thing I'm saying? We're gonna finish up and we're gonna eat the road. We're gonna eat the road, Jack.
Well, I was doing stuff. Well, it was because I chose to. You could I can say it go. I'm all about the ass.
Kev,
I asked myself
bro,
where.
you know I go, you know.
Yo, yeah man,
Big up yourself, you know.
Big up on
You know,
yourself.
nothing but love.
Trench town, you know, big up on yourself. And everybody. Enough love.
Road,
Kev
you say.
lifestyle. A road king,
Yeah.
I say.
Just tell them to come over and check out Kev Lifestyle.
Yes, guys. Just come over, check out Kev Lifestyle. See what I got going on over here.
Yeah.
As Keena could tell you,
Alright.
it's popping over here.
It's popping.
It's popping over
See
here.
the kitchen.
Check me out.
It's popping. Just like the fish and the crab, it's popping. Now we have Chucker.
Chucker is over here.
Chuck over here.
Yeah.
Everything
I
go.
didn't know I was coming to see Keno today.
Right.
I had no clue.
We got a surprise.
It was a surprise.
She got the surprise. She
I got
got,
Jay and Ray and all his nephews.
Yeah.
And all his nephews over here.
yeah.
Yeah.
And she got the
You know
sorry.
what I mean? So, yeah, that's how
She got it all.
That's how we deal with the trucker over here. Jay, Ray, all the nephews. Yeah, man. So people are big up on themselves. Kev is out. Check me out. Comment.
Yeah.
Alright.
I make her know I'm going.
Yeah,
Hey, kitty.
I'll tell you, say my rub, yeah, man.
Hey, kitty, can. Come on. The big chef will deal with the shrimp. Don't cry.
Say something.
Until we meet again.
Yes. For
Dream
sure.
team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Right.
And that is it.
That is it. 100%.
And we have the juniors here.
Yeah, so why?
That's original sprinter, yeah. And you say him look like a sprinter. Yeah, he's a sprinter. He never really say much, but he run more. Well guys, well, you know the morning goes already. Back here, and I'm here in South Bronx. You know, passing through to see one of our subscribers. Oh my general. Cool no?
Good to see you.
More straight man, more straight. One core.
Yeah.
You know the thing about one core man. Give thanks. So outside here. Cores. Oh.
You know, we are going to feed it today, you know.
Really?
Yeah. We could do shrimp, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Salmon.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, we have 23 flavor waffles. 14 flavor with
Different. Over here is different. Oh, we have Roger here. Our love is in the building.
Yes, you know it goes already.
You like ginger?
Ginger? Yeah.
Sure, you can handle it.
Yeah, man. I'm a ginger, man. So, guys, so we're in Couriers in South Bronx. Alright, big up, bro. Big up. Couriers here in South Bronx. All the chicken, they look different. Yeah. That's why you're asking me can I handle ginger. You feel like it's too hot? So guys, I'm gonna try this ginger. Corey think it's too hot for me, so let me see what I go on. It's governed, man. This is governed. But this is natural ginger. Yeah, natural ginger. So I'm here in South Bronx, guys, you know, back here. You know, from Jersey. Let me show you exactly where I'm at. Let me step outside. So I don't know if you notice, I recognize this place here. This road I'm at East 137th Street. And this said the home of chicken waffles, Corey's. Yeah, so this is South Bronx, literally down in South Bronx. This is, you know, deep south. So I'm in the south of south, you know, south of south, guys. So this ginger drink good, really drink good. So Corey is also a subscriber of our program, you know. He's also an extended family in we doing it. So I always try my best to say we can meet one of them whenever I'm here, you know. So I go on.
You can't eat waffle.
No. You can't eat it.
What would you like?
The seafood.
You know,
stuff.
it's gonna make you a veggie pasta.
Oh, veggie is that?
Huh?
Oh, veggie is that? Panza pasta.
Oh, you can't do the cream?
No.
Okay.
The cream and a veggie.
So just do the salmon.
Yeah.
And you can't do the rice and peas.
We use coconut milk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Good. Tilapia. What's that going?
More self, man. You want to taste the thing and put the thing on the thing and the people that don't say. And this is Corey's Eats, man. Where we at again?
South Bronx.
25, 15, 25, 25, 15, 3rd Avenue.
You know that spot those sneakers right?
Oh, that sneaker store spot. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's, okay.
Up in IC. We can't go there.
So, Kino, you know Fat Joe?
Yeah.
The rapper.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's his sneaker store right across the street.
Okay.
From Boise. So, the bus you can even take a peek on it.
Yeah. Fat Joe the rapper. A lot of choices right here. Salmon look good. A wild salmon.
The ginger, it's have a kick.
Have a kick. But can say more kick.
It have a kick, but you know, but I thought it would have more
Kicker.
kicker than that. Where
She might frighten away. I said we can manage it.
But Jamaican.
Yeah. We used to the kicking already.
We used to them something.
Used to the kicks. Them are cakes. So that's an Oreo waffle. Yes. The waffle and chicken. So that made of Oreo? I just sprinkle Oreo on it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oreo waffle, you know, Rajan.
Separated. That's the Jamaican side. This is the American side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Jamaican over there, American over here. So this is the American waffle. Jamaican style.
So I'm gonna make a fruity pebble and an Oreo. This is Captain Crunch
Yeah.
and fruity pebble.
Captain Crunch and fruity pebble, just like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fried Oreo. Fried Oreo like crazy.
Quick and fast.
You should make you an oxtail omelet. That's what you should have, an oxtail omelet.
No, I don't know the red meat thing, man.
Oxtail is not bad. Or a jerk chicken omelet.
Just make something, man, because I want to keep the people to know what you have going on, you know. So,
Waffle.
Yeah. So wait for the time to count down. When you count down, that's when it's ready.
Okay.
Start it out at 2.5 minutes.
Oh, 2.5 minutes.
Yeah. If you look at that one over there.
So you have 10 seconds remaining. Over here you have 40 seconds remaining. Alright.
Gotta keep that on. Gotta keep that on.
no, they're not over.
I'm gonna give it to one. You would have to take it.
Yeah, I think I need
I'm gonna give you one for the jerk chicken and one for the fried chicken.
Yeah.
So one's ready now. Upside it over. Fully ready. It's the Oreo waffle, Captain. What is the?
That's the Captain Crunch.
This is American life, right?
Yep.
So if you're loving the American life, trust me, you can get the American life here at Corey's. That is it there. American life. One Oreo and one Captain Crunch. Too bad me I forgot, you know? Yeah. Also normally, that's what you share with the chicken just now, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna fix it for you.
So usually they have it with chicken. Oh Lord.
Bring all the kids down, man. Let them come get there.
The kids would love this, right? With chicken beside it. The kids would love it with chicken beside it.
Come on.
With the Captain Crunch. And look how it's set up. The pack. Chicken as well, you know. Chicken as well, you know.
That looks good, bro.
So this is a special over here, right?
Yep. We have 23 flavors.
Okay.
Of waffle.
So that's why I name the waffles, chicken and waffles. Okay. That's the reason why you call it chicken and waffles, right?
Home of chicken and waffles.
Home of chicken and waffles. The home say come and get chicken with waffles. Right. Roger, can you agree with the fish?
Yeah, this one is for you.
Really? We have got to tell me why you're putting that. The waffles.
You want to,
Shrimp. Roger, I'll test the shrimp.
I'm going to try one of the kilo shrimp now, so it's not going with it. Crunchy.
Crunchy and it munchy.
I know I like with it to curry. It's not saggy or hard. It have that crunch on the inside, not just on the outside.
It's artistic, it's different.
Yes. Real thing. So Kino, you're going to enjoy
What flavor shrimp is that?
That's just we just mix the season, peppers, onions, blend it up.
Okay.
And we just marinate it and let the shrimp soak for a few hours, then we deep fry them.
Deep fried.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey. Guys, so this is what Corey's have to offer whenever he comes here, He got his natural juice, sorrel, ginger, and pineapple with ginger. And this is how you do waffles with shrimp. You can have waffles with chicken. So this is the Oreo waffle, and this is the Captain Crunch waffle with shrimp. And you also have your rice and peas with your shrimp right here, and your salmon. And then over here, so the stir fry, right? Yeah. The customer here, so she's gonna tell me a bit about Corey's,
Okay, so I come here all the time for lunch. I normally would get the salmon with plantains and vegetables. It's really good. It's healthy. I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
How long have you been eating here at Corey's?
Since it's been open, because I work not far away from here, and I recommend it to all our guests. There's a hotel, not far from here. Yeah,
Okay.
and they all love it. We
They
got
all love
good
it, right?
reviews all the time.
Cheers.
Yeah.
So that means a Corey place on top of things. So how much out of 5 star? How much star you give it?
Yeah, 5 over 5.
5
Definitely.
over 5.
Yes.
What? You get the little extra though, Corey. You got the extra star. You got the extra. Of course. What you having now?
The same thing, salmon with some vegetables and plantains.
Plantain.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're having the same. Wow, what a coincidence.
Yeah.
Literally we having the same. What's your name?
Serafina.
Terafina. So my name is Kino.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Okay.
So you can check out Kino Life in Jamaica.
Okay.
And YouTube.
Okay.
So if you got your phone, you can check it.
I will.
Alright then.
Okay,
So
thank
nice
you.
to come in at Corey's. Alright, so Raja is gonna eat all of this, guys.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. And he's gonna drink 3 juice. Sorrel, ginger, and pineapple and ginger. So that's Raja's first steak. Same as the steamed veg.
All the way, man. I'm telling you. Corey, it's happening, man.
Is that
Can't wait for the one in Mount Vernon to open.
Yeah.
That's going to be much closer to me.
okay? So,
All right.
oh, so you're having one.
In Mount Vernon, and it's gonna be a full service one. Can have around like 20 to 30 tables, seat around 80 people.
Okay. So that's
Spring of 2025.
okay. That's
So that's gonna be our third location in 4 years.
yeah. So that sounds like that's gonna be the bigger one.
Yes, that's
80
gonna
people.
be
Wow.
that's gonna be the flagship store.
Okay.
The flagship.
So that's the headquarters.
Exactly.
That is the headquarters.
So when you're ready to purchase your Corey's Eat franchise, you gotta come see me in Mount Vernon.
Of course, you hear that? Definitely. So Roger, how you enjoying it right here, boy?
As you can see, man, dude, everything is just authentic. Everything is authentic and good.
Sure.
Corey, you're doing something great for the community, man.
So let me try the shrimp. You know, Roger was recommending the shrimp, and so Keenan need to try the shrimp. So here the shrimp, you know, looking good. Sorry, don't mind that. You know, the floor have to eat sometime. That one.
It takes the flavor.
And taste the crunch. Here are Corey's, you know. Very good. Oh. I'm going to try the salmon now. So this is going to be the salmon I'm going to try right now. So Roger will try the waffle.
Listen up, man. If you have kids and they love waffle, take them to Corey's Eat. Because these waffles are like unbelievable. And like you said, how many flavored waffles?
23 flavors, and we have 2 new flavors we're gonna roll out springtime. We're gonna have the cotton candy and the watermelon flavor.
Okay.
Yeah, cotton candy watermelon.
So they're going to spoil for flavors, you know. You might just taste what I go, you know.
Different, right?
So this is the salmon right here. Go on.
People waiting for this in Mount Vernon, man.
I know. It's gonna be
Yeah. I like the taste of the salmon as well too. What flavor is the salmon in here? Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Sweet chili?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the sweet chili. And the shrimp is the curry shrimp. Alright? So sweet chili really rocking. Yeah.
You know, I make all these myself.
I realize that.
It's not too spicy, right?
It's good.
Rice and peas tastes good as well.
Thank you.
Rice and peas tastes good, son. Where am I go like good chef and that foreign? Why they acting like there's no good chef in foreign? Or the good chef them leave Jamaica and come on foreign?
We cook homemade. Not right. We don't do restaurant cooking. We do homemade cooking.
Homemade, yeah.
That's how you get the flavor. You gotta cook like you're cooking at home.
Yeah, no, I understand. The bad chef them leave Jamaica
How's the homemade?
to come overseas, you know,
How's the
to a better life, you know.
Yeah, Roger?
So that's why the cooking over
Okay,
here
it's
is
good,
good.
man. It's good. It's just different because I eat a lot of lo mein in my lifetime, like from different places. And I'm saying it's just different, man.
What that? What you call it?
Lo mein with chicken lo mein.
Oh, it tastes different.
You need to try our fries.
That's the address in Mount Vernon.
So it's lo mein, it's not chow mein.
What is it? 15 Gramerton Avenue.
You know,
Come in this
the
spring.
salmon tastes good.
So, listen up. As you can see, this is a chicken lo mein from Corey's Eat, and the big one is coming in Mount Vernon this spring, 15 Gramerton Avenue in Mount Vernon. All right, so look out for it. You get all different waffles of 23, 24 different flavors. So all the kids that love waffles of, you know, the Captain Crunch,
Fruity Pebbles.
Oreos, all red velvet, you name it. It just keep going on and on and on.
And they can also create their own flavor. You can mix and match it.
Okay.
Yeah, you can put 4 flavors together, 2 flavors, it doesn't matter. We'll do it. We also have 14 flavor wings.
So a parent could actually bring their kid in and you could ask the kid like, what flavor would you like?
Yeah.
Exactly.
And then you just make it for them right there.
And for every waffle we have the pancake to match it and the shake to match it. So if you want a cheesecake waffle, we can give a cheesecake pancake, cheesecake shake. Oreo waffle, Oreo pancake, Oreo shake. Red velvet waffle, red velvet pancake, red velvet shake. Whatever it is, we do.
So there's spoil for choices, right?
There you go.
It's what for choice.
Yes, spoil for choices.
We cater to everyone, not just one. Everyone. We go for everyone. The entire household.
But you know, I see you eat up the salmon if everything wrong.
Yeah, but that's a going right now, you know. The salmon really tastes good, you know, I'm not even lying. The salmon are going, the whole thing are going, you know.
Even your steamed veg curry, man, I'm telling you. You're above the cut. With the presentation and the taste of the steamed. I mean, because most Caribbean restaurants, to be honest with you, go and the steamed vegetable like this, they cut it in so big chunks. And, you know, you lost the taste.
Well, that's the difference between homemade cooking and restaurant cooking. And this is what I always say, like, authentic Jamaican food is when you cook like your grandmother cook at home.
Yeah. And this is the taste I'm getting right now. You know what you said for that?
You're correct, man. 100%. Guys, I hardly can't talk because my grandmother said, "Yo, not supposed to eat and talk. I don't want to bite my tongue on camera." You know? You guys stay with my laugh. No, but I'm here enjoying. So, I don't mind Roger bite for him tongue.
You see my friend we get to me? This is supposed to be my friend, you know?
Yeah. No, but him knows him grandmother teaching that as well, you know? But through the food sweet, you have to talk sometimes, you know? You know the thing goes right.
The food is good, man. The food is really good.
It is good.
Really good. It's just a different thing you bring into the Caribbean community, man. You know? It's just different curry. You know?
I mean, my background, don't forget that I had own IHOP.
Yeah, of course.
You know, for 10 years. It was in 2019 during the pandemic I decided I wanted to branch off and created my own franchise. So that's what I did. And thank God it's working out. So to have 3 stores in 4 years, I think it's a plus.
Yep.
That's what it is with Jamaicans and Jamaican background, you know. Trust me, I always have that thing they call cooking. You never lose. The skill is always there. It's the reason why the food tastes good. Now we can show you Jamaica, you know, branded for the cooking and everything. Same Jamaican come overseas and do the same type of cooking. That's why you have this flavor, this taste right here, you know, because Jamaican and Jamaican background, you know, so are the same for the same. So when you come up foreign, it's our yard and it's our abroad, you know. Quarries, trust me, see there.
If you're honest, the reason why a lot of people go back home to Jamaica is really for the food, you know. Food. Like, even when you stay in the hotel, you just want to go on the street side to get the food outside. Because you feel like it's the authentic stuff.
Because really and truly, you know, as you said that, if a Jamaican here find a man who does jerk chicken and does it like back home, trust me, that jerk chicken man go on global. You know what I'm saying? They won't leave him alone.
Yeah.
So about the grandma cooking and the home cooking, once the people find that, trust me, your business is a shot.
Okay, we can't refill it, you know.
No, you have no quarry. The food is good, but I can't really pull up my stomach too much, man. That's 2 peas?
Yeah, man. Get oxtail. You want some?
2 peas.
Put the peas.
Can't put that.
Put the peas in it. Don't bring the oxtail. Bring the peas.
The guy, I'm going to enjoy it right now, you know.
Corey, don't bring no oxtail.
Okay.
Just store on the peas.
Always. Chef Kalisha.
Hi.
Are you there? You go with your grandmother?
Yes.
I can tell you.
You enjoy the food?
Chef Kalisha. Where in Jamaica are you from?
Montego Bay.
Okay.
South Spring.
Okay. Me come from Sugar Spring. You go by yourself, chef, yeah? Alright, cool, no? I just get the 2 peas. Never stop till them get in.
We don't do it with pork. We do it with oxtail.
Okay.
Or stew pieces of an oxtail.
Okay. Right. I eat that. Roger, remember you still have this to eat, yeah?
But Roger, you should have some white rice with that, not rice and beans.
Bring me a little, just a little.
Roger, that was such wicked hot.
Alright guys, so you know the thing goes, we're gonna head out and because now we start to pack barrels, so we're gonna go and get some stuff as well because we start to pack. We already started, we have almost 2 already and we're gonna pack a 3rd one right now, so good. Alright, nice meeting you. Alright.
You didn't get, look at them enjoying the food.
Yeah. She enjoying the food. So go on YouTube, let me show you my channel. It's called Kino Life in Jamaica.
And you guys gonna see this
K.I. or K.I.?
on YouTube?
K-I-N-O.
She's from Clarendon.
You know, make sure that you look pretty.
Yeah, you're gonna look pretty. So let me show you. Let's go on it.
You didn't put it up here.
No, I'm gonna show you the channel. I want to your phone. You know about your phone or move now?
No, I'm to me good phone.
Kino Live.
Oh.
Yeah, so.
We have to subscribe.
Yeah, but email. What is?
Look here, me a whole
Where I go on a John shop?
Me a whole
Well, I eat this, Go on your phone.
You only watch when you introduce me, so that's it.
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't have YouTube?
No.
I have YouTube, but she don't sign up. She says right now she are using like a guest. So there's no name. That is exactly what I am. A guest.
She's a guest. She don't have no email.
She's a guest. You have a friend.
Thank you, darling.
Alright, then
Take it.
where your phone there? It's called Kino Life in Jamaica. Get your phone.
And because of 4 you guys might get because of 4 you get discount. That's some nice stuff.
K-I-N-O Jasmine.
What's the channel name?
K-I-N-O
K-I-N-O.
Yeah. Space Life.
Life.
Yeah, in Jamaica. You're gonna see it pop up. See, right?
Oh, this one.
Very good. So subscribe.
You post every week?
Every week, every day.
Every day? Really?
Every other day. Sometimes every day. So you're gonna see yourself cook. You see? Alright, Jasmine.
Okay.
Alright. Jasmine rice. Alright, listen. Alright, bye. Alright guys, so we're here in Mount Vernon. So we'll stop off at Mount Vernon quickly, so Corey is going to show us where the new location is going to be here in Mount Vernon.
Central places, Central.
Yeah, so he's going to show us where he's going to have his new location, then we're going to start out what we're going to start out. So we're here in Mount Vernon. So tell me if you recognize where I'm at. If you recognize it, yes, I'm here in your spot. I'm going home.
you know what they're gonna, they're gonna take away.
Just lights. Yes. So this is the home of chicken and waffle. Damn. Celeronins. Home of chicken and waffle. Just. Yes. It's spring, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice, man. Great look. This is a great look, guys. So this is where it's going to be.
This right here is going to be the whole table.
Oh, all tables.
Then over here as well. It's going to be a door here that's black off. Yeah.
Wow.
The restrooms are on the other side. So when you, it's the same setup like the others.
Yeah.
Exactly the same thing.
Buffet.
Yeah. And as well as a la carte.
We're not going to be the kitchen and it's made Jamaica so we can take the people, man.
I tell you.
Right?
I'm telling you.
If we want the Jamaica, so we can do everything for the people and right there and then.
Big kitchen. What's this, downstairs too?
Yeah.
Oh, see, upstairs and down.
This is like a stock room.
Oh, your stock room.
Oh shit.
Okay. It's the fridge. It's the fridge, right? The fridge?
The freezer back there.
Shame.
And then I have another one over here too.
They better try to get stuck inside that. Okay.
And then in here I'm gonna build up in here. Light switch.
Lights.
Hey Siri, turn on flashlight.
I'm trying to find a light. It's gonna build out here. It's gonna be an office in here.
Oh, the office down here.
The office here.
Yeah.
The cameras are down here so you can
See, there you go.
watch how I go on upstairs. Yeah. Man. Sit down and watch everything. Yeah, man, it's a great look, man, you know?
When the delivery comes, it's gonna come from here. It's gonna come off the side street.
Oh, you're going on the side street.
Just open that and
Everything just come in, slide down.
yeah, I see it down.
Yeah, man. Less pressure. It's a great look, man, you know? It's a great look.
Mount Vernon.
Yeah.
There you go.
Mount Vernon. Come to the table where everything boy. She call these people.
That's our life. It's when our brothers is doing greatness, you know? Doing greatness,
So
man.
so this is coming down. This is coming down. This is gonna be 18 feet because you're gonna have 2 fryers, 2 grill, 2 stove.
Okay.
Here we're doing the soda fountain is coming here.
Okay.
So these are all the equipment. We're just waiting for the plumber. He's gonna come later. He said to just cut it, the steam table, cut the pipes, and then the whole thing can be finished. Let me show you right there.
What was here again?
So yes, so guys, you know, spring 2025, you know, this is gonna be open. And we're over here in Mount Vernon. You know, we're in Mount Vernon again. We're at
15 Bremerton Avenue.
15 Bremerton
Yeah.
Avenue. 15 Bremerton Avenue.
Same thing. When you finish that, goes on the wall, and this is
So let me see now. Oh, is that you?
I thought it was bigger.
You thought it was bigger?
Yeah.
But look, finally you're taller than me, right? And she's taller, guys. So this is one of my fans. Say hello.
Hi guys.
Hello. Is that mommy there? Hello. Good man. You get surprised, right? You get surprised. She was like, oh, my mom watch you all the time. Right, and here's mommy here in the building. Guys, when you see in the live comment section.
It's not Susie, it's Allison.
It's Allison. Okay, it's Allison. The high five. Finally with me, right? Hey, she said, finally. Oh, it was cool.
It was good.
It was good. Nice. I know you're a good girl in school, right? Okay. So guys, so this is Corey's daughter. So when you hear about Corey's, the waffle and chicken, this is where the name is from her. So this is the original Corey, right?
Yeah.
She is the original Corey. So she's the future for that business, you know? Original Corey. So come on, let's get you down now. She's get too big now, you know? Alright. Yes guys, you know, it's always a blessing to meet our lovely subscribers and our viewers, you know, our extended family, you know, it's always a blessing. So we here, you know, got welcome here, you know, passing through to see our lovely subscribers. And imagine she always been watching us. When she see me, she's like, oh, Kino, I watch you all the time, you know. And I am here, you know, I'm here guys, so blessed love, you know. So remember, I'm going to try to meet some of my subscribers then while I'm here, you know, individually, because of the timing. Some of them is at work, some at this, so I will try to visit them at their door like this, knock, open, and I'm there before I exit this country, you know. So you know, the thing goes already. I will try my best to give you guys my welcome support, you know. So yes, I'm blessed love. Alright guys, so we're in the house, you know, so boy, I know, you know, well, now I remember, you know, how it feel when packing barrels. You have to be up and down and then packing the barrels. So guys, so far probably going to end up with about 3 or 4 barrels, you know, so far. Because let me show you, we have this one already, but this one is already full. You know, as you can see, this one is full, literally maximum full. This cannot take nothing more. This one is full. So this have to go 4 slack. So they can see this is literally full already. All full. And this was well packed. You know, I love done a great job. They man enough to pack barrels. So this also have food and clothes inside. So we try to put food and clothes in each of them. So they know the custom will be about. So look, it can't even lock properly. So let me show you the rest of the stuff. Then we have to go to the next barrel because we have our next half barrel out here. You know, so let's look for our one. So look for what's going on. Boy, Air Max and Jordans, you know, all the bling bling, yeah, the Tommy Hilfiger, yeah. Jeez! It's poor along there. I love. Trust me, look at the choices. Whoa, chef say, whoa! It's a whoa, chef Jordan, that the red one.
Yeah, man.
Whoa! You know? So that one, that whoa, chef Jordan, you know. Whoa! The man got jump for 3-pointer, you know? Jump for 3-pointer and this. Because most of them put the name. This is for prefect. You know? This is for prefect. Definitely from Cave Lifestyle also. You know, well, trust me. Nice. You know, so guys, this is the next barrel. So here we have some t-shirt printed by Our Love, you know, for a sponsorship, you know, through the program as well too. So Our Love, we can explain to them about these t-shirts that we see right now. So this t-shirt that you're seeing.
Well, and they all here. If you all see them, this is like about 20 t-shirts that go into I don't know if Kino can see it. It said the Jamaica Foundation of Texas. Right, it's a university that they're doing scholarship for from Jamaica for all the kids who need scholarship. So myself, along with Kino, as the people know, we sponsored 20 shirts to the University of Texas for the scholarship program that they're gonna have a MLK walk in January here. So this is what we sponsored. 20 shirts, as you can see, the different style in the Jamaican color.
Yeah.
Right? The Jamaican color.
Yeah, turn.
All right. See? So these are all sponsoring through the Kino Dream Team and the Radar Love apparel. Okay?
Yes.
So that's what we have. And the bigger it gets, is the better it's going to go. So, you know, the more we get out there, the bigger the business be, trust me, it's the more we're going to put out back into society, into our community, and we're going to reach beyond even our own community. So just let y'all know. So this is the direction we're heading into.
Yes.
Right?
So this is it, guys. So we also have some shirts, you know, guys. So everything is here is new. You know, everything comes new right here. Everything is new. And trust me, it wasn't easy. You know, it wasn't easy at all. And this is the next barrel where, you know, this, open this, how far reaching this one? Open this one there. So this is half, right? And for sure, yes, we're still gonna get more stuff because we're gonna get some more food stuff. So if this half and plus all of these, you know, and the food stuff that we're gonna get.
It's about 3 to 4 barrels gonna
So
be
it's gonna
needed.
be end up, 3 to 4 barrels, you know.
Be needed, yeah.
Because food stuff is at the bottom of this already.
No, the food stuff is actually in that one.
Oh, in the next one.
Yeah, the one is packed with food. This is just clothes, and in the back of the bottom of this barrel, there's some stuff in it for Shanette. What's it, Shanette? Shanette and her sister in the bottom of the barrel. So, you know, we're gonna get some more food stuff by tomorrow, Thursday. We should be able to seal up.
Yeah.
By tomorrow, Thursday, we should seal all the barrels.
Yes.
And Kino will be having the stuff off and meet them back in Jamaica and continue his journey, you know, as he pursued to be doing.
Yeah.
So that's it.
So trust me. So the idea we have to go up now, we have to go mix these with clothes and shoes, you know?
Yeah, so one guy get a pair of shoes and he get, because look, Kino, I don't think you put them out. Let the people know. So these shirts are all new shirts.
Yeah, all new
and
shirts.
You see, look, it's shirts in abundance. So guys, when you get, see that?
So the man them sharp in them shirts and
so,
Jordan.
So I'm gonna tell you all this now. These shirts, they're gonna come in so handy because y'all going to the embassy, you know.
Yeah.
Dream Team, y'all going to the embassy. So trust me, this is the shirt y'all gonna wear to go get that visa.
Of course.
Right, Kino?
Polo, chef. Every time something we can know what is a chef. You see that pink polo shirt here, a chef, you know. And you can see Rasta Jackson and boom. You know, these are all polo, pure polo shirts, all brand new. All brand new, guys. Pure polo shirts. All brand new. Trust me. See? All brand new. So, boy, there's work to get done. The boy, they're gonna be blessed. So, custom, take your time with it. So, we're gonna try and see if we can put this through. I'm gonna link up Miss Charmy, you know, and see what we can get done with the Kiwanis, you know, so we don't really get that bundle of charges, you know, with these stuff coming down, you know. So, we're gonna try to mix them clothes with food, you know, and them good things. So, we're gonna write names on them, you know, so they know what's going on. Trust me, for the things that, oh, you guys are gonna sell all of these. You know, no, we're not gonna sell them. So yes, it was a long day today. Trust me. Well, if I run up and down, I will still got, so tomorrow now we're gonna get some more food stuff, you know. Get some more food stuff, you know. Guys, I never tried to do it the last minute, but I tried to use the final week, you know, to do every little thing, and trust me, boy. It come like so we've been doing this for 3 weeks and can't finish all now. Nah, you know, I still got more runs to go and do. Hey, I just remember packing barrel ain't easy. So when you guys sending barrel to Jamaica, no, it's not easy, you know. So that's why I like to experience about the feeling, you know. So I can always remind them and say, yo, listen, to pack barrels and stuff, it's not easy. You know, it's not easy at all because a lot of run up and down you have to be doing. So we thank our extended family whenever I'm sending something to Jamaica. Trust me, I know the pain. You know, me saying this to them, sure, it's not easy. You know, especially run up and down, out the car, into cold, in the cold, out the car in the cold. It's not easy, right, Roger? It's not easy run up and down. I'm saying, yo, our love, you know.
So I'll make sure Carolyn who's the coordinator for the foundation of Texas, the Jamaica, about the sponsorship of the college. I just want her to know how beautiful the shirts are.
Cheers.
You know, that's coming to you guys. You know.
Yeah.
So this is it.
That is it.
All right, Kino.
I'm getting some wonderful shirts too. I'm not like. Trust me, they're getting the proper quality.
All right.
You know, the proper quality. So yes, guys. So, you know, we're gonna keep it in tune. So we have more run up and down to do. So that's it for today, man. No more run up and down for tonight. Oh, we have one more stuff for God, right?
Yeah, well, some guys about
What
the
the
wheelchair, you know.
wheelchairs. Yeah,
Some
so.
guys wanna sponsor some
Yeah,
wheelchairs,
so
let's see how that
we're
goes.
gonna have some. Yeah, so we have someone gonna sponsor some wheelchairs as well. About 20.
Him said 10 wheelchairs.
Oh, 10
so
wheelchairs.
10 wheelchair, which is good.
Yeah, so we're gonna go and link up as well to see what that's gonna get done. You know, so there's so much, you know, so much to get done. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, you know, if you don't get your Radar merch as yet, what are you waiting on? Remember, the number is gonna be there. The contact Radar for your merch. You know, can't start representing. Yeah. Peace. That's what
Yes,
I'm
because, you know, one thing, I just want the people to know, when you support Radar, trust me, you're supporting the homeless, the unfortunate, you support the less fortunate, you're supporting all these people as well, because every $10 that I make, that Radar apparel make, we're giving back $3 back into the community, right? Whether it's through cash or some reputable foundation, or, you know, it's cancer, it's Alzheimer's, it's, you know, homelessness of, you know, food, no matter how it comes, we giving back to the community. So please, I just let you know, it's not all for ourselves.
Yeah,
You understand? We just try to live off the basic stuff that take us through life, and the rest we share.
Yes,
And our word is bond. And Kino came here and saw it for himself, how we do things. And you see how we give away to the homeless, you know, some really, you know, quality jackets and stuff. So it's no BS about it. You know, it's real. So when you support Radar Apparel, you're supporting the less fortunate right around the world. And Kino is here to send all that message. Thank you, Dream Team. One team.
The Wall Chef, get your passport out.
Yeah, Wall Chef, get your passport. A matter of fact, listen, again, I'm going to elaborate on this, Wall Chef. Get your birth certificate, right? So you could obtain that passport. As soon as you get that done, well, getting your passport, it's all on me. You understand? It's all on me. Radar Love, all right?
Yes.
So get that going. Panama. Listen, the next trip, Kino going to Panama. Wall Chef, you should be on that plane.
Yeah.
You should be on that plane, brother.
So it's gonna be 2, you know. So as I say, so most majority did say wow chef, but you know say I'm gonna bring Boom, you know, as well too. So if I'm gonna bring wow chef, I'm gonna make sure I sponsor Boom and make sure me sponsor Boom for Boom to be on that trip, you know. And I'm say the future is bright. I will speak to other extended family and say yeah, key, and they're gonna play a part, you know, in helping the others to go on a trip whenever I'm going to any one of the Caribbeans, you know. So everyone will get a chance to go to a Caribbean trip when I'm going. So it's only can get better, guys. So if you don't have your passport yet, you better go get the passport. So when I'm there, you have to go and get the passport anyway. I'm gonna make sure I be on your case to go get the passport. So boom, make sure you have your passport ready. You know, wow chef, start it already, because I already tell you. So guys, I'm definitely gonna sponsor Boom to be on that trip, because we're gonna make a trip to Panama. You know, so who knows? It's probably more than 2. You know, but I'm just saying that for now. I'm just saying it's probably more than 2.
Because remember,
he's gonna be on a trip.
Remember, Max said he's going to sponsor 2.
No, I'm saying sponsor 1. So, and then they vote for wow chef.
Okay, but Oliver and Carla, I know they're going to sponsor maybe 1 or 2.
Yeah.
I'm going to sponsor wow chef. So I know other people going to be coming on board.
Yeah.
So people.
So and Corey as well, so I must keep him posted. And that as well too. So,
man, come on.
Say you never know, you know. So I'm saying I'm gonna sponsor Boom. You know, so you never know who else doesn't get sponsored to come on that trip to go Panama. So hey, let's see. Hey, the journey continue. That is it, guys. What mean? What mean? Oh, alright, guys. So see there. Yeah, one more barrel just touched down. So this is the barrel that we just literally just full up now. You know, you see it there. This is well packed. This can take more still.
No, that not done.
Oh, yeah, this can take more.
That can take more. So, well, she not come with a new one.
Yeah.
Remember, I said, Korea come with some food and things.
Yeah, so this is the third barrel. The third barrel. Wee. So that's good. The barrel look taller than the one at the room, so.
Yeah, it is.
It is taller?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, bigger than the one in the room.
Let me see. Oh yeah, taller than this one. Okay, yeah. This one, yeah, taller than this.
Like, you know,
Yeah.
you gotta work my hand, you know. Like, you gotta work my hand 9
Yeah. What have to do them tonight?
No,
Yeah.
look.
Oh, damn.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.